Step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Educate yourself. Establishing a solid knowledge base is crucial before you begin trading or investing. Recognize fundamental financial ideas, various asset classes, stocks, bonds, currencies, cryptocurrencies, etc., trading tactics, and risk management tenets. 2. Establish clear goals. Establish your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Are you seeking immediate financial gain, long-term wealth creation, or a combination of both? Your trading and investment decisions will be guided by having defined objectives. 3. Pick an online trading platform or broker. Opt for a trustworthy online trading platform or brokerage that best meets your requirements. Take into account elements like costs, assets that are offered, user interface, research tools, and customer support. 4. Open a trial account first. If you're new to trading, many platforms provide trial accounts that let you practice trading with fake money. By doing so, you can test your tactics without putting actual money at risk while getting acquainted with the platform. 5. Create a trading plan. Based on your objectives, risk tolerance, and market analysis, develop a clear trading plan. A strategy could include defined plans for various market scenarios, risk management guidelines, and standards for entering and leaving deals. 6. Fundamental and technical analysis. Develop your ability to understand financial markets both technically and fundamentally. Technical analysis focuses on price charts and patterns, whereas fundamental analysis examines a company's financial standing and external market forces. 7. Risk management. In trading and investing, risk management is essential. Use stop-loss orders and other tools to prevent losses by only investing what you can afford to lose. 8. Avoid putting all of your eggs in one basket by diversifying. To spread risk, diversify your investments among a range of assets or industries. 9. Keep up to date. Keep abreast of market news, economic data, and geopolitical developments that may affect your assets. Making informed decisions is aided by knowledge. 10. Continuous learning. The trading and investing industries are always changing. As you gain knowledge and expertise, keep learning and refining your tactics. 11. Patience and discipline are essential for successful trading and investing. Steer clear of irrational choices and follow your trading strategy. 12. Consider consulting financial consultants or other experts for advice, especially if you're working with complicated investment products or a sizable sum of money. Keep in mind that there are no assurances that trading and investing will result in profits. To succeed as a trader or investor, you need patience, commitment, and constant learning. Always be on the lookout for such schemes and frauds that promise rapid money. Thank you for watching this video.